Good morning guys, and it's day 2 in Goa and we are heading towards Old Goa to see the beautiful places like the churches and the other stuff. So yeah, let's go. I'll keep you guys posted and hope this day ends up awesome. So yeah, see ya. Okay guys, so we are about 20 kilometers away from Old Goa and yeah, you can see the beautiful trees, the coconut trees and the road. Whoa, and I'm with my Dhannu. Activa. I'm driving slow, don't worry. Checking the traffic on the rear mirror. We'll be there in 30 minutes. So let's go. So parking kidhar hai? Okay guys, so we have reached Old Goa and we are near the Basilica of Bom Jesus and we are heading towards there. I'll just take my stuff and like go there. So yeah, see you there. Okay guys, so I have some candles to like light there. You can see people are lighting some candles out here. We are now at the Basilica of Bom Jesus, which is a 400 years old church in Old Goa, and like it holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, and it is also a UNESCO heritage site. So we'll head inside now and let's see what we find there. Okay guys, so we have entered the Basilica of Bom Jesus. As you can see, it's a beautiful church out here. Okay guys, so you are not allowed to take any selfies or any photos of yourself in any poses, but that's the body or the remains of Saint Francis Xavier. One of the pictures of Saint Francis Xavier. Okay guys, so we are now out of the church and like before the exit you will see this art gallery where you will find these statues and the different paintings of Saint Francis Xavier, where he goes to like Japan and also visited Goa in the 1500s. And yeah, it was beautiful, but like they didn't allow any videography and photography, so I was not able to record anything. And yeah, you should come and visit it yourself. What's the fun if I show you everything to you guys? Supriya? We are now exiting the Basilica of Bom Jesus. I met a friend like from Assam, so random, like I was thinking she's her and like. Okay guys, just in front of the Basilica there is this beautiful building. I thought what is it, but it's the Archaeological Museum here. And yeah, we are heading towards that and like let's see what we find there. Okay guys, so that was the Archaeological Museum where we saw the portraits of the different viceroys and like the rulers around here. And like we are now heading towards to like eat something as I'm really hungry and it's lunchtime. Okay guys, so like after the Basilica and the Archaeological Museum, it's like 350 meters and you can reach the Augustin Tower, which is also a protected monument here in Old Goa. And if you want to know more about the tower, you can read it here. The tower of the Church of St. Augustine. And yeah, that's the tower. So after coming to Old Goa, I don't have to like travel a lot. Like in 350 meters, I have like visited 2-3 places. You must be thinking why I'm not going to the beaches, because I have been there twice. Like this is my third time in Goa, and like I just want to explore more around the place, and I will definitely go to the beaches. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe for the beaches. So these are the ruins of the St. Augustine Church. Like there are stones, I think these are from the tower. That's the beautiful tower out there guys, like the ruins of the tower. Heading inside. Okay guys, so we are now inside the Augustine Tower's chambers. And it has started raining like little drizzles. You're not allowed to go from this area. I don't know what will be there, but I don't want to try that as well. It has started raining and we are like now leaving the Augustine Tower, and we'll head towards the wax museum. I don't know how far it is, but we'll go there next. So yeah, that's the tower. So we are now heading towards the wax museum in Old Goa. Let's see what we find there.
This is a statue of Mahatma Gandhi ji. All statues are made up of wax, in which we have used chemical hardener to maintain the temperature. If the temperature goes above 42 degrees, all the statues can be melted. Therefore, it is compulsory. And the 3 monkeys are also made up of wax. Only that fur is not of wax. And all statues are and teeth are made up of ceramic tiles. And the school concept completed in 3 months.
Okay guys, so we are now in the wax museum, which is nearby the Basilica in Old Goa, and they have like made these statues of different famous people with their wax, and like they told me that they have to maintain a temperature of about 42 degrees or this wax may melt. So yeah, you have to pay about 60 rupees for the entry and like 20 rupees more for the camera if you want to take pictures from your mobile as well. There is also a statue of Vivekananda and Mother Teresa. There is a statue of Radha Krishna as well. Benjamin Franklin, Rabindranath Tagore, and then of Mahatma Gandhi, and the three monkeys. Okay guys, so that was the Wax Museum where they have kept the statues of famous people from Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore and all. Let's see where we head next. I think the Old Goa market is closed as shown by the map. And okay guys, heading back to maybe New Goa. So yeah, see you.